Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this section I will take classes for operation in Catia V5. Operation, how that working from an operation for corner, chamber, eliminations, transformations, and I will be teach later from 3D geometry. In this section will be take later. Why means it is used for 3D object. So now we will be see only for 2D. After the section I will take the classes. If any doubts, just comment my inbox. Let it start. Just insert profile. Just you draw the profile. Any kinds of profile, you just take a profile and draw this. Like this you will create. Then you go to this and insert operation corner. Corner means just nothing. You give a fillet for this. Select this first one, select the second line, and you give the fillet. How much you need, you can give. You select that default. Just you can double click this, then you how much is needed. 16. Okay, 16 you will give. Then radius or dimension, there will be the this means radius, dimension. If you give more means it is more available, less means less. Just you will give OK, then it will take care. The same thing for chamfer also. Chamfer also same like that only. It's similar for corner, but it is a different. Select this. In this you will take a 45 degree angle like that. You give a value. Chamfer is always like a 45 degree angle. This is corner will be. Edges will be reduced. You give how much rounded value it will take it. So this is like that. If that sketch is constrained, you will be show it for a green color. Unconstrained, it's not showing for a green color. Okay, next I go to insert, eliminates, trims. What is mean trim? Trims means if you unwanted parts, you will be trim. This trim is totally different. If in UG is a single part you can use to do that trim operation. It's a different phenomenon, but it is a different one. It is used to extend this part. Just extend the part where to where. You just make a line or something. First you give insert, constraint, profile. Just a profile, you draw this one profile for this, and you will make this line like this. After you go to operation, eliminates and trim. Trims means you can select this part. Already this is defaultly selected, and you can to select this one. If this Catia, if you want to select this trim in custom box shortcut, double click, you will be activated. You select this one already selected, you just escape, then select this one. First you can select this trim, then go to select this first line, and then second line is automatically connected for this corner edge and all. It's same like this. Radius also you can do like this. If you can an extendable part also you can do this. Wherever that extent is required, you can do this. Any radius also, just you can do give. Delete this area, and it just you give this trim like this and like this. This will be make like this. After you want to give chamfer or not chamfer, give a fillet radius. Go to insert, operation, transformation, eliminates, break. Break means just to break this line, 2 divided. Just to select this line for 2 part. If you double click, the horizontal how much, vertical, it's polar and radius and all. It's nothing needed. It will break. It's a two line. Now it's like a two line. This is a separate one. This is a separate one. And if you hide this one is separate. Like that, break only. Okay. Next we will go to check insert operation. It eliminates break. We did. Next go to quick trims. Quick trims also select whatever part you don't want. Select this, it will cut. Select like this. If you can double click, a default double click is required, then you can do click continuously. Otherwise not do continuously for this quick trim. Okay, anyone in this operation you want to do continuously in Catia V5, just click double click for that operation. Okay, next you go to insert operation. Eliminates close corner. This close corner is need only for the circle area. Just will be closed. I will check it for this in box type and also. Check it if you go to in shortcut close corner, you select this. It's not possible to take and you just identify this is not used for rectangular or straight line and all, just use for only a round surface. I draw one circle and I will make one line. I just make one line for this area. I draw one circle and make one line for that area, and I extend for this line to another circle. So I will like, okay. Now I go to trim this one, quick trim. Just to trim this one and then hide this part. Now I go to close one. Just select this area and you will be closed this automatically. And another one is like is complement. Complement means is a different one. Wherever the part is unclosed, the unclosed area will be closed, closed area will be unclosed, like that. Just I will be do, then you will be understood. Once I will be do that for this circle, and I will trim this circle for the off of the portion. Just go to the line and I cut this portion. Then go to trim this part. Then go to delete this one. Then I go to delete this one. Now I go to use that command complement. You select this one, then you select this part. Is wherever part remain, portion will be appear like that only. Remaining portion only appear. You do that complementation again, the remaining portion will be get it. Now you will give that same complement, the remaining portion will get it. Like that, it is a complement, it is used in weight of the area. It is a tricky to shortcut method. It was very faster for the software. I will take a class operation transformation mirror. Mirror means it's like that everyone will be know. I have selected one line and whatever part you want to mirror it, just click this mirror in this portion, then center line will be select this one, then you will get it mirror. If you anywhere wherever you want, you just take some reference line, that is enough you to make a mirror for the object. You same thing you can do. Transformation tool, I will take a shortcut. Then you give symmetry. Symmetry also is similar like that only, but that object will be go here to there. add this one. Just you give it symmetry. You select this and select the center line, so the object will be moved here to there. Just the object will be go here to there. Just you will be check it another one time also. You select this the object and select that line. It will go in here to there. That is called symmetry. Difference between mirror and symmetry. Yeah, I understood. Okay. Next we go to translate. Translate means you can translate any object here to some other area. Just how much duplicate is needed, you just give 1 or 2. You give this one, then you select whatever you want to transfer. Then you give wherever you want to transform. Just give like this. Click. It's like a polar also. You give the value also. Snap mode also is there. And keep in the internal constraint also. Keep external constraint like that. You give the mode. Whatever value you give, you can do it in polar also. You can use a linear also. And then another one, we go to rotate. Rotate also same like that. You can rotate any object. You make a circle, then you can rotate for that object in a proper direction. Just to click it, and you can select how much duplicate is needed. And just to select this spot, and you want to rotate the part or this. Okay, it will rotate it here to here. It's just how much is required. If you rotate, you can take like this. You cannot understand. Just I will take one proper method. Just and you make like that, rotate only. And just rotate. Just make like this. Then you go to rotate option. Instant how much is required. 20 means you give 20. Then angle. It's like this first. And angle, you can select this. An angle how much is needed. How much, if you 20 give value means you can angle, you don't know. Just to get 360 divided by 20. Then give OK. It automatically takes. So like this you want to give. Okay, this is a rotate operation. You can do anything like this, rotate. Next we go to scale. Scale means what? You can do increase this size of that one. It is called scale. Just to explain this previous one, I will select this one, then make a click anywhere on the object. It will scale it. If you can drag it in your mouse, click one area and drag it. If you can drag it opposite, it will become smaller. If you want big, it will be like this. Otherwise you give a value also for that. Default value also you can give for this scale box. You give me the value scale value how much is needed. Just give it and give OK, then you will get it. Okay. Next we go to offset. Offset means what? I want to offset one profile for anywhere. Select that offset, whatever you want to offset this one. Where portion you can select this. This is not good, but I will take another one explanation. If you offset you want to do, I select that one line. Okay, then you go to the offset, select that offset, and wherever you want, you just drag it and give the place, and you will be give the value also, how much value you needed. Just to give a 50 means I give 50. Okay. Next I go to set operation. transformation, offset, scale, rotate, transform, symmetry, mirror, and amber corner. Everything will see this section. Next, insert operation 3D geometry. Next section we see this remaining tools and all in 3D geometry. Thank you guys, thanks for watching. Please support my channel and subscribe. If you need more videos, please click the notification bell icon. Have a nice day.